Hello dears, today I'm going to teach you the alphabet M. And I'll be using a needle, a 4 mm hook and a scissor, a thread, 8-ply thread, acrylic wool. Now let's begin. Slip knot, chain 16. Make double crochets, 14 double crochets.
A few moments later.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Chain 1, make a single crochet, half double crochet into the next half double crochet, and then double crochet. Then double crochet foundation chain. Hope you know what's half double crochet, a double crochet foundation chain. Now get into the foundation chain of the double crochet, pull up a loop, pull up 1, pull up 2, and then pull up 2 more. So this is the double crochet foundation chain. Again get into the foundation chain here, pull up a loop, pull up 1, pull up 2 loops, and pull up 2 loops again. Then again get into the foundation chain that you have to do 7 times. Pull up a loop, pull up 2 loops, and then pull up 2 more loops. Again get into the foundation chain, pull through 1, pull through 2, and again pull through 2. So we made how many? 1 2 3 4 5 and the last one. Go into the foundation chain, pull up a loop, pull through 2, and the pull through 2 more. Yarn over, go through this chain, foundation chain, pull up a loop, pull through 1, pull through 2, and again pull through. So we made one part of the M. Hope you are able to understand what I am saying. And then we turn, slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, and then again make the foundation double crochet 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, get into the foundation chain, again get into the foundation chain, pull up a loop, pull through toes and again pull through 2, again into the foundation chain, pull through 1, pull through 2 and pull through 2, again get into the foundation chain, pull through 1, pull through 2, again pull through 2. So we should have 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and one more last one. Pull through 1, pull through 2, again pull through 2 and make 13 chains. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13 and make double crochet into the second chain. Make 9 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then make half double crochets, 1 and 2 half double crochets, and then turn your work and then slip stitch into the third stitch on the main body of the M. Cut the yarn, hope you're able to see the M alphabet. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.